Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. We will have about number 2 with the square root of 3x. Later that we do first derivative of 3x. And first derivative of 3x, you got about number 3. Because we don't have number 3 and number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3 and number 2, and we have 2 over 3 du equals to the x over the square root of 3x. So this one we change by u. The x over the square root of 3x we change by 2 over 3 du. And we have e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.